What's your name?
My name is Jessie.
Where do you live?
In West Memphis.
How long have you been working here?
Since February.
Well, that's good.
What school you go to?
I went to Marion High School. I graduate Thursday. And I'm not looking forward to it because there's over 400 students. Well, you know, it might be cold since it's cold right now, but if it's not, it's going to be miserable.
Well, what are you going to do when you finish high school?
I'm going to cosmetology school next year.
Oh, you're going to learn how to put makeup with dead?
And hair, and nails, and makeup, and massages.
How do you massage a dead person?
I'm not a dead person. I wouldn't even touch dead people.